check this out. They 3D printed this, or I 3D printed this in large too. Look, the egg can be printed as big as your printer's build plate, so you can 3D print it and have a Top Gun plane of a larger side, or, you know, like if you could really make it big if you wanted to. But it is kind of cute and cool. You can do it at any size that you want. And that is kind of the cool thing here about 3D printing, is you can find all these cool knickknacks and things and build cool projects, including, what was it? So many cool things that you can do. But anyway, as I was up there on Snow Summit, I decided to get a cocktail for one of my family members, and I was about to, yo, what's up, the Marty Experiment? Thank you for joining the Marty Experiments. Thank you, so many awesome people for joining the live chat today here. But anyway, I was on Snow Summit, and I bought a cocktail for a family member, and I was about to spend a good double the price. This thing here was about $17-18 for a mojito up there. If you are on Snow Summit, it costs about $17-18 for, depending on if you calculate tax or not. Yo, what's up, Dennis Jordan 898? Thank you for joining the live chat today. So Snow Summit, I was about to spend twice that amount by making a mistake and tipping them an extra $17-18 for a mojito. But luckily, a nice lady stopped me immediately. She's like, "Sir, you're about to make a big mistake." And I was like, "Oh, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for saving me." Because it's okay for women to save men when they're in trouble. It doesn't always have to be the man to save a woman. Thank you for joining up, Bob Wirso Chukwoski. I'm sorry, I'm not capable of pronouncing this name, but I really appreciate you for showing up on the channel today, on the TikTok. Anyway, this is fantastic, guys. This is why it's important. It's important to have multiple platforms that you work on. Yo, what's up? Zoe SSF joined the live chat today. It is so cool to have people here in the live chat today. As a third-class citizen on the YouTube, it is nice to be on TikTok today.